Hey guys, welcome to the Babe Theory YouTube channel. So today this is our first lesson to jewelry making course. Before anything else, we will start with basic and we will know how to make jewelry finding at home. Why jewelry finding in the beginning? Because it's very necessary for making jewelry. Every jewelry piece is made with the help of jewelry finding. That's why it's the most important thing. In my last video, I talked about all the things we are going to need for making jewelry and starting your own individual craft journey. If you have not watched that video, firstly watch that, or you can click on the I button on the top right corner. So let's start. We need flat nose plier, round plier and cutter. So basically I love to work with this 20 gauge wire because this is best for making jewelry. I also love to work with copper wire because it's very flexible and it's turn around very nicely. This is thin wire. You can also say this is a beading wire. This is memory wire. So let's start. So first of all we make ear hook. So watch the entire video very carefully and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to learn something every day.